Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, this is Ashvircreations from ashvircreations. Welcome back to the amazing world of Photoshop. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos just like kellansworld, Kellan Henry. You can see the Instagram of his photograph. Their photograph are really like a pink and bluish tone. Here you can see the pinkish and teal. Mostly teal and pink is found in every kind of photographs. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your photo look like kellansworld. So before wasting any time, let's get to the Photoshop. Let's open the Photoshop and select the image which you want to edit. Now select the quick selection tool from here and select the plus icon from here, and now just roll it on the subject which you want to cut it down. Now right click on the subject and press the layer via copy option, or else you can press Ctrl J from the keyboard. Here is our copy of the layer. Now all you have to do is just open the background. We will go to the file and click on open. Then we will go to the background and open the background. Now just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and just paste it below the layer by pressing Ctrl V, or else you can now to enlarge the image. All you have to do is just press the Ctrl T from the keyboard, or else you can go up to the edit menu, then select the free transform tool. Now just drag it from this right corner by pressing the shift and alt key, just like this, and just hit OK or enter from the keyboard. Now all you have to do is just crop the image. Now we will just press the Control button from the keyboard and just left click on the mouse on this layer. So we want this much area to be cropped. So now we will select this crop tool from here, or else you can also press C from the keyboard and hit enter button. And here we have cut our image. Now the best part is you don't have to drag and drop or else you don't have to set the frame of the image. Just press the Control and select the image. That's it. So now you have to do is just go to this adjustment layer and go to the selective color, press the down arrow key and choose here the black color and decrease the blackness from here and make it more white, and just give a cyan look or a teal look from here, or a bluish look. Decrease the yellow from here to around 14%. Now we will select red color from here, and we can just play it from the selected tool of the magenta. Cyan, if we want a cyan look, then you can give cyan from here. So here we have done our retouching. Here you can see the before and after effect. So just to merge both the layer by pressing shift and left click on the mouse, just right click on it and select the merge layers. Here we have merged the effect of the layer. Now all you have to do is just go to the file and open and select the background from here. Just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and just paste it above this layer by pressing Ctrl V. Now transform it by using Ctrl T. Now select the screen mode from this blending options and add some bokeh to it. Let's just decrease the size of the bokeh from here. Now I don't want bokeh on this upper layer of the subject, so I will just select or the press Ctrl button from here and select on this layer, so this much area would be selected. First of all, I will make one duplicate layer of this bokeh effect by pressing Ctrl J or duplicate layer. Now I will select by pressing Ctrl and left click from the mouse on this layer, and the selection area I don't want in bokeh in this area, so I will just press the delete button from the keyboard and I will delete the area from here. Now I want to add some more bokeh to other side of the background, so I will just drag it from here and press Ctrl T to transform it in any of the direction whichever you want. Flip it horizontal way. Now I want to blur this one, so I will select the filter, blur, then Gaussian blur. I will blur it to around 3.5% or the 10%, you can give the 10 or 12, whatever. So here I have done the blur to the bokeh images. Now it looks like some kind of an originalism. So here we have to give some kind of effect to it. So I will just merge these layers. Before merging, let's play with the color lookup. Just go to this adjustment layer, then select the color lookup from here and then select the mode which suits you best. I will press this down arrow key, that only will affect the below layer of the subject because I don't want any kind of effect on the background. So I am selecting this only layer. I will decrease the opacity of this color lookup, or let's just try to soft light or multiply or screen. Nothing is shooting, just go to the normal and decrease the opacity from here. Now all you have to do is just go to the selection adjustment layer and select the solid color from here and go to the blackness, select the black color. Now go to this white layer mask, select the brush tool from here and just select the black color from this color and increase the size of the brush, not this much, and select the soft edge brush. Now all you have to do is just erase it slowly by pressing only one stroke of the brush, then decrease the opacity select this subject layer from here and just delete, or you can just erase it from only this part. I don't want, so I'll just select and you saturate it. Here you can see the before and after effect of the photograph. So the very first thing I have to do is just first of all I will merge both the layer. Right click on it and select the merge layers. Now I will just blur the edge of the subject by going to this blur tool and make strength to 100% and just blur the edges so that it may look very natural and realistic. Now we have done the blurring of the edge of the subject. Now let's just select brush tool from here and select the white color. Let me paint white from whole everything to the white to 100%. I want little bit of brightness on the face, so I'll select the black color and I will select make around 10 to 20% of the opacity and just paint it on the face. Only a little bit. Here we have done our final adjustments. Now just merge all the layers from here. Right click on it and select merge layers. And select the C button or the crop tool to crop the image and press enter. Now we will go to the filter, then select the camera filter from here. And we will make it to little bit of bluish tone to the image. Now we'll go to this HSL adjustment and select the blue color and just make it to -4. Increase the saturation of the blue color to aqua. increase the luminescence or the brightness. Now again go to the hue, then select the aqua color. Select the purple color from here. Now select the orange color. Increase the luminescence. Decrease the saturation from here. Now go to this calibration. Now go to hue and make to around 0 -4 to 6. And now increase the saturation to around +3. Now select the shadows and give little bit of shadows from here. Decrease the shadows, increase the whiteness, increase the black, increase the clarity and the contrast, and decrease the contrast. Increase saturation to +1. Here we have done our final adjustments. Now press the OK button and you can see the real kellansworld photo editing. You can see it from here. Pink and teal color. So we have achieved our pink and teal color from the photo. Here you can see the before and after effect of the photograph. A huge difference you can see. Well, here we have completed our photo editing of the kellansworld. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button so that it will motivate me to make more and more videos like this. If you enjoyed, then just go and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss the new updates whenever I post a video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next time.